Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how to earn money with cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has taken the world by storm, and many people have made significant profits by investing in it. But how exactly does it work? And how can you start earning money with cryptocurrency? In this beginner's guide, we'll show you everything you need to know. First of all, let's talk about what cryptocurrency is. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It operates independently of a central bank and can be transferred directly between individuals. Some of the most popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So, how can you earn money with cryptocurrency? There are a few ways. Mining. Mining is the process of verifying transactions and adding them to the blockchain. Miners are rewarded with new cryptocurrency for their efforts. However, mining can be expensive and requires a lot of computational power, so it's not a viable option for most people. Trading. Trading is the most common way to earn money with cryptocurrency. It involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies on exchanges, similar to how you would trade stocks. The idea is to buy low and sell high, making a profit in the process. Staking. Staking involves holding onto cryptocurrency in order to help secure the network. In exchange for staking, you may earn a reward in the form of new cryptocurrency. Airdrops. Airdrops are a way for cryptocurrency companies to distribute tokens to their community. Airdrops can be a great way to earn free cryptocurrency, but they're not always reliable. Now, let's talk about some tips for earning money with cryptocurrency. Do your research. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, make sure you research it thoroughly. Look at the project's website, read the white paper, and look at the team behind the project. Diversify your portfolio. It's important to diversify your cryptocurrency portfolio to reduce your risk. Don't put all your money into one cryptocurrency. Use a reputable exchange. When trading cryptocurrency, make sure you use a reputable exchange that has good security measures in place. Keep up to date with news and trends. Cryptocurrency is a fast-moving industry, so it's important to keep up to date with news and trends. Follow cryptocurrency influencers on social media and subscribe to cryptocurrency news outlets. In conclusion, earning money with cryptocurrency can be a great way to make some extra cash. Whether you choose to mine, trade, stake, or participate in airdrops, make sure you do your research and take steps to reduce your risk. Remember to diversify your portfolio, use a reputable exchange, and stay up to date with news and trends. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.